Namaskar and welcome everyone to this brief video about various activities of Society for Microvita Research and Integrated Medicine from Udaipur, Rajasthan, India. Society was established to study the science of microvita and propagate microvitology at various levels, and also to start research work in the field of integrated medicine. President of Society Dr. S.K. Verma, myself Dr. Vartika Jain, working as Secretary of the Society. And since its conception in 2008, Society has carried out various activities. So let's have a look to this. The inception of Society itself is a historical event because it is the first registered academic society in India which is working upon the microvita research and integrated medicine since 2008, and 116 live members have been enrolled. Society is regularly publishing an official bulletin on microvita research and integrated medicine since 2009, and the 12th volume has released in the 2020. We have first time coined the new terminologies in the field of microvita, that is microvitology, microvitopathy, microvitopsychopathy and microvitocytology, published in Bombrim. We have first time designated 31st December as Microvita Day because it was the day on which the first time Shri P.R. Sarkar has given the concept of microvita, and since 2009 we are regularly celebrating this day. We have first time organized 2 international seminars on microvita research in India and Udaipur in 2012 and in 2016. Scientific validation of some of the plants of yogic chikitsa mentioned for heart disease, hypertension and diabetes by Shri P.R. Sarkar has also been carried out on these 5 plant species. And all these small cardamom, cinnamon, bhumikishman, greater cardamom and samal have shown beneficial effects in the scientific validation studies as proposed by Shri P.R. Sarkar in his book Yogic Chikitsa. And we have also published the first book on the samal plant in 2012, which was published by Springer. Society is also propagating Shri P.R. Sarkar's contribution in the field of microvita, medicine and neo-humanism in various national and international conferences, seminars, symposia, webinars, etc. Society is also carrying out neo-humanistic activities. For example, we have first time enumerated 83 plant species in 5018 Prabha Sangeeta, the composition by Shri P.R. Sarkar. We have also enumerated 57 faunal species in the 755 songs of Prabha Sangeeta. Besides scientific validation of the roots of somel tree as described by Shri P.R. Sarkar, we have first time started Semel Conservation Mission here in Udaipur, India, looking to the decreasing population of this tree in Udaipur city. For this purpose, we have created awareness through print media and through talks and group discussions. We have also raised new samal saplings by collecting the seeds from forest, and these saplings have been planted in and around Udaipur city with the help of various organizations. And with this, we have also given a novel concept of iron pole holika dahan instead of samal tree. Since 2011, this eco-friendly iron pole holika dahan is being carried out and implemented in various societies in Udaipur and in nearby areas. We have also started conservation of Adansonia digitata tree, popularly known as baobab tree, and collected its seeds, raised the saplings and planted them at various places. For the first time, we have conducted solar cooker workshops to demonstrate the people about how to use the solar cooker to prepare their food, and first time we have conducted solar cooker recipe contest in Udaipur city. In 2015, we conducted a 7 days biopsychology based yogasan seminar. In 2018, on 7th October, we conducted a dialogue on psychology, microvitology and neo-humanistic ideology. And in future, we are planning to have more seminars on microvita and integration of research work on microvita, and also start collaborative research work in integrated medicine, and also to look towards some local ecological problems and for their solutions. So with this, I request all of you to join the society for this novel cause. Thank you very much.